We'll talk about gugma.
Gugma.
Yeah, just a quick
Yeah.
lang, no, about gugma. So, well, I just want to ask, how do you define love?
Love.
Speechless.
Ang bira. May pakinig. Love is something indescribable.
Oh,
It's something that you felt naturally. Di ba? Kasi kung mahal mo or may...
kinikilig
Di
siya.
ba? But, di ba, it's something na may love kasi isang tao. Ano siya, mukhang di mo siya kusang, I mean, di mo siya may explain, di ba? Unexplainable, indescribable. Basta kusa lang siyang mafe-feel mo.
Kusa mong
Oo,
nararamdaman.
kusa mong nararamdaman. And yun na yun, di ba? It comes out naturally.
Mhm.
Diba?
So, are you in love? Of course, naman, alam naman natin, no? But we just need to hear it again from him. Are you in love?
Obviously.
Unsay now sana in love? Unsay now sana all no? Sana all mga kalingap in love, okay? Yes, we all know na he's in love because he's having a relationship with
Rachel.
Yes, okay. And then since you are like, let's talk about the woman that you are loving right now. Why did you choose her? Di ba? May mga ganun
Grabe,
text na.
Pag-inay.
Yes.
Yeah, are you fan of watching Rochel's Kalingap serye?
Napanood ko lang yung vlogs niya, yung
vlogs
daily
lang,
vlogs
daily
niya.
vlogs lang. So Rachel is one of my ideal girl that
Kinikilig na yung mga Rachel na yan. Ay!
may pa-English, di ba?
Yeah.
Sige, I simply describe Rachel as a simple girl. She's just a simple girl. But aside from the simple girl, something that I really admire here is his dedication.
Aww.
Yeah, because aside from being a breadwinner of her family, she's very responsible. She's very responsible amidst of her mother passed away 3 years ago. So
I saw her. I know her
Yeah.
story.
So she's very responsible, and aside from being family oriented, for me, honestly, she's very kind. Di ba?
Soft-hearted.
Lahat ng mga positive na mga attributes sa isang babae, talagang nakikita ko sa kanya. Siguro bonus lang na maganda siya. Diba?
She's really beautiful.
Yes.
You know what? When my mom saw her for the first time, mom was taking picture and she said like, "So, ay, guwapa bata." And I was like, yeah, she's really beautiful. Yung natural na, no? Parang wala nang hindi naka-effort. How to be you po? Paki-comment. Nang sa ganun ay makakahanap din po tayo ng Roel of Malalas. Okay. Let's try to,
Sige, okay lang.
while walking. Alright, okay. So, Roel, ano namang masasabi mo na it can't be denied that there are some people questioning about your relationship with her, right? May mga, it can't be denied kasi mga kalingap, no? Let's just have, this is not quite issues, kumbaga, but how do you deal na there are people are commenting negatives about you?
In our relationship, we choose to be in public, yeah. We choose to our relationship is in public, right? Because there are some